Aloha, Howley Norm here in the Big Island, and we're going to try to move a 40-foot Connex. Get a picture of two. There he goes. He's out of sight. So we poured a couple of Piers. They're pretty tall. They're over 20 inches tall. But the ground is sloping up. So what I've done is I stuck the 26G inside the Connex. We're picking up our main point from that hook area. Having to move it a couple inches at a time. We got a tire down there so we don't bust these tips off. That wouldn't be a good idea. But we made it quite a ways so far. We got these wheels on the back. Don't remember the price right now, but the tires were as much as the axle piece. That's the axle piece. And we've moved this, oh heck, at least 40 feet. She was back there next to that grass pile. There's the old Piers back there. So we've moved it this far, a couple inches at a time. And now the plan is to get it down there on those piers way down there. So we still got another 40 feet to drag this thing, and we're probably not going to get finished today because I think we're going to have to get some more gravel to put down at this far end. We might even have to switch the tires to this far end, and then I might have to take the excavator, well, put the tires on this end, close the doors, put a log underneath back there, drag it on the log. This is after we get a lot closer. Oh, Dottie Bell, what you doing, sweetie? You want to play ball, huh? So, get the tires on, get it rolled up to here, but I'll have to take the excavator and go down. I'll make an exaggeration, that was a little stiff though. Take the excavator down there, put a chain on, and pull it on the rollers. So, but today, this is the plan so far. We've got it quite a distance. We can only come about another 20 feet, and then we're going to have to make decisions. So, aloha for now. You have a good day.